Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? First of all, I would like to wish you all the very best for the new year. This new year has just arrived, and I wish you all the very best of success, health, a lot of prosperity, a lot of wealth, and a lot of profits. So, guys, we are starting with the Perfect Hedge Expert Advisor. We have been trading with this expert advisor since the 31st of July, and now I think like it's almost like around 23 weeks that we are completing. Today is 12th of January. Okay, and we started with 10,000 on 8 pairs. The minimum recommendation is it's 1200 to 1500 per pair if you are using multiple pairs. But if you are using just a single pair, we would suggest you to trade with at least 2000, either cents or US dollar, whatever. Okay, because it is hedging, and in any case, like if certain spikes comes up, if you are using a single pair, then it might hamper sometimes. Like it is just to avoid higher drawdown. That's it. Okay, but if you're using multiple pairs, and if you're using multiple pairs with a diversified uh, portfolio, like some Australian dollar pairs, some Euro USD pairs, I mean Euro pairs, some NZD pairs, some USD pairs and all, uh, then you can do it like around 1250 to 1300. That is suggested, and it is not that your drawdown is going to increase that much, but still it is something that we are suggesting to, for your account safety, or uh, just to lower down the risk at some extent. Okay, because risk will always be there. You cannot mitigate the risk in forex market. So let's start from here, 31st of July, and we started with 8 pairs. Earlier we were using right one more pair that we were using earlier. That was some GBP pair. GBP, actually, I do not personally like most of the pairs, because in certain conditions actually they used to bring a little more drawdown than as compared to other pairs. But it is not something that other pairs will not bring any kind of drawdown. But it is just my personal suggestion, personal opinion, or my personal whatever I felt so far. Okay, so it is perfect hedge. Perfect hedge means like it is, the strategy is absolutely hedging, and it is a trend based expert advisor that will trade based on the trend. And once the trend changes, it used to take the opposite trades in the form of hedging. Okay, so please do not expect that if you are like whatever your buying range, like if you are on sell, and if the trend changes or the market direction changes for some time, then it will take the equal amount of lots for the opposite direction. No, it's not, but it will take the opposite lot, opposite side direction as well. But it is not something that will equal to the initial lot size whatever you are using, because at any point of time the market direction can change, and it is a trend based expert advisor. Because if you're using a buy sell, like around buy and sell both sides with the same lot size, but at any point of time one has to close one position, right? And at that moment your buy and sell would not be equal, because unless you are closing any position, you are not making any kind of profit, and you are just giving your swap on daily basis. So there is a point where one has to close one position, and it is not certain that you will be using the same lot size for both buy and sell together equally. Okay, so it's 23 weeks, almost 5 months. 5 months, yes. You can trade anything with this expert advisor, but yes, the trading conditions of that particular broker that you're using should be good. Okay, so with a deposit of 10,000, we made a profit of 7606 so far in 5 months approximately, and the running trades is around 141%, $140 or $141, or or like whatever you're using, if you're using cent or either US dollar. It is what the thing is. We started with 10,000 and we made a profit of around 7,000, 7,100 so far. And this is the current floating balance, right? And if you would like to see its uh, my FX book link, then let me share it across with you. It is there already in the video description, but let me share it along with this video also. So this is the MyFX book link for this Perfect Hedge Expert Advisor. I have mentioned this in the video description also, and you can check it over there. Okay, and this is there. This is the growth um, link. I mean the growth graph. This is the balance graph. This is the profit graph, and this is the drawdown graph. Okay, so based on MyFX book, the daily we can generate, or it has generated so far, is 0.34%. Monthly it's 10.78%, and drawdown, the maximum drawdown so far has been in last 5 months is 31.23%. Okay. So this week we made 1.79%, this month we made 4.42%, this year we made 4.42% because this year has just started. And in monthly analytics, in July, on 31st of July we started, so it was the end of the day. So from August, like it's 15.26% in August, in September it's 11.07%, in October it's 6.98%, in November it's 10.58%, and in December it's 11.27%. And 2024 has just started, so we made around 4.42% this year so far. I have already provided you the MyFX book link, the same link that I'm using right now. And also I have provided you my Telegram handle and email address, where in case if you would like to ask any question, or if you have any query, then you can contact me by email or Telegram. Both the details are in the video description. And also I would request you to please subscribe and join my Telegram channel, where I used to post very occasionally. It is not something that is related with any specific expert advisor, but it could be anything. Okay, we used to provide or post some different kind of expert advisor videos or some different kind of expert advisor analysis, but that is not very frequent. So you will not be bothered with by different kind of notification on very frequent basis. So it would be very occasional, so it will not bother you. And please subscribe to our Telegram channel, and as well as our YouTube channel also. Again, I would like to extend my thanks for watching my video, and I wish you all the very best in this coming new year. Thank you very much.